isn't it? So class, now it's time that we are going to begin with our today's EVS class. So today is 22nd April 2021 and the day is Thursday. So if you remember, in previous class we have done days of the week. Let's have a quick revision of these days of the week once. Clear? So there are 7 days in a week. Let's count. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So like this you will open 7 fingers and let's start naming the days. Okay? Sing with me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So how many days are there in a week? Say, now you all have to say with me. There are 7 days in a week. Say again. There are 7 days in a week. Which are they? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay? So like this, we have 7 days in 1 week. Okay? So today is Thursday. What is the day today? Thursday. Clear? What are we going to do today? See, we all know why it is very important to keep ourselves clean. क्या आप गंदे गंदे बच्चे घूमते हो? No. You all are very sweet, very cute, and when you take your shower every day, you take your bath every day, and you wear proper clean clothes, you comb your hair, isn't it? Then what else? You wear spick and span, neat and clean clothes, you polish your shoes, you trim your nails, then you look more smart. तब आप और भी smart लगते हो. Now see, कोई भी बच्चा who's wearing dirty clothes, क्या आप उसके साथ खेलते हो? Have you ever played with the child who's very dirty? मजा नहीं आता ना उसके साथ खेलने में. फिर अच्छे से नहा के न्यू क्लीन क्लोथ्स पहन के we look so smart. So today we are going to understand this only, that why it is important to be neat and clean and things that make my body clean. पहले तो हमें ये समझना है कि clean रहना important क्यों है. See, जब आप dirty रहते हो, you look shabby, सब गंदा गंदा होता है, then you are wearing dirty clothes, nobody likes. किसी को अच्छा नहीं लगता. No one will be your friend. कोई आपसे friendship भी नहीं करेगा, है ना? So you have to keep yourself clean. One thing. Second thing is, अगर आप clean हो, अगर आप dirty हो, तो क्या होगा? If your hands are dirty, आप dirty hand से खाना खा रहे हो, all that dirt will go inside, and you will fall sick. आप बीमार हो जाओगे, isn't it? You all can see what is happening nowadays. Whenever mama papa is going out, they are just wearing a face mask and they are wearing clothes which are covering the whole body. पूरी body को cover करता है. जैसे मम्मा बाहर से आते हैं या पापा ऑफिस से आते हैं, she always take a bath, she washes her hands every time she is giving you food, isn't it? तो हमें अपने आप को clean इसलिए भी रखना होता है ताकि जो भी germs हमारी body पे हैं वो चले जाएं. And you know, ठीक है, आप बोलते हो कि एक बार मॉर्निंग में नहा लिए तो जर्म्स चले गए. No, it is not like that. आपने कोई भी मैम ने अगर ये बोर्ड को टच किया, मैम के हाथ पे जर्म्स लग गए. Because everywhere जर्म्स इतने टाइनी होते हैं, छोटे से होते हैं, you cannot see them. अगर आप देखोगे आपकी टेबल पे, even phone या laptop you are using to watch the video is also having some germs on it. तभी जब भी आप खाना खाते हो, most important thing, whenever you are having your food, you have to wash your hands properly. ठीक है? So one thing is we use soap to keep ourselves clean. So we have a soap here. This soap we use for washing our hands, for taking a shower. जब morning में आप शावर लेते हो या बात करते हो, you use soap. We use shampoo to clean our hair also. Now if we are talking of hair, fine, you have applied shampoo, hair clean हो गए, but वो गंदे से बाल होते हैं, वो अच्छा लगता है या तब अच्छा लगता है जब आपके hair properly combed हो? Yes, you look smart when you comb your hair properly. जब आप गंदे से hair होते हैं, आपके comb नहीं होते, that don't look nice. So to comb your hair we use to brush your hair we use a comb, isn't it? Then आपने बहुत ब्यूटीफुल ड्रेस भी पहन ली, मम्मा ने एकदम न्यू क्लीन कपड़े पहना दिए, आप खूब स्मार्ट लग रहे हो, एवरीथिंग इज डन एंड यू आर रेडी फॉर योर स्कूल, wearing your school uniform and everything, but your shoes are dirty. Again, that also don't look nice. If you want to look smart, yes, confident, your shoes should be properly polished, and we polish our shoes using shoe brush and shoe polish. Then we are having socks properly. जब आप shoes पहनते हो, make sure you're wearing your socks, because if you're wearing your shoes without socks, that also don't look nice, isn't it? Now coming towards your nails. So you all have nails now? Fingers maybe, toes maybe. Are you trimming them timely? Yes, you should trim your nails properly and at regular intervals. Regular intervals मतलब every Sunday ask mama please trim my nails and make sure आपके जो nails हैं वो बिल्कुल बड़े नहीं होने चाहिए. Why? Because जो nails होते हैं उनमें dirt इकट्ठा हो जाता है, germs अपना house बनाते हैं. And if you will keep on washing, then also nails के अंदर से germs बाहर नहीं आते. This is why germs को हमें house बनाने ही नहीं देना. So keep trimming your nails timely. Clear? Apart of this, there are few more things which we'll discuss. So let's see in the book. So now when you will open your book, today you are going to do work on page number 10. So open your fun sheet books on page number 10. Clear? So book page number 10. So open your book on page number 10 and let's see what work we are going to do there, and of course keep your colors also ready with you, because as we always do, we are going to do coloring. Okay? Now you will open your fun sheet books on page number 10, and there we have the topic things that make my body clean. So what we have to do, match and color the pictures. So first of all you will write today's date, that is 22nd April 2021. Okay, so like this you will mention the date and write classwork. Understood? Now can you see what is going on in this picture? A boy is bathing. Yes, this boy is taking a bath. Now tell me, you need a comb to take a bath, you need a brush and shoe polish to take a bath, you need a soap, or you need a nail cutter. Out of these four things, what you need to take a bath? Can you tell me that? What you need? We need a soap. Yes. So what you are going to do now? Now you are going to take your colors and we are going to do match using these colors. So first let's take a red color and I'll match this boy with soap like this. Clear? Now what is the next picture we have? In the next picture we have a girl. So do you think this girl need nail cutter, a shoe brush with shoe polish, or comb? What do you think? She needs a comb to brush her hair, isn't it? So we will match this girl with this brush like this. Now this time you will take a different color. As we have taken red here, take a different color. I have taken brown for this. Understood? Now next we have a hand. Now if you will see carefully, अगर आप उसे ध्यान से देखोगे, you will see that the nails, they are grown up. वो बड़े बड़े हो गए हैं, big हो गए हैं. So what you need now? A nail cutter, or you need a shoe brush with shoe polish? You need a nail cutter. Yes. So let's match it. Again, change your color. This time I have taken green color. Then, which is the next one? We have a pair of shoes. Now to make your shoes look neat, what do you need? आपको अगर अपने शूज़ को बहुत अच्छा सा दिखाना है, नीट दिखाने हैं, तो what you need? You need a shoe brush and shoe polish, ताकि आप उससे अपने शूज़ को क्लीन कर सको, right? So let's match it like this. So this is how you will do the matching work. Now what we have done, we have completed the matching work. So what's the next we are going to do? Next you have to color all these pictures. So let's start coloring them one by one. So first we have a boy. So now the skin part of the boy, will do the skin color. Isn't it? Now next we have the boy is taking a shower. So here it's water and bubbles. Soapy bubbles there are here. Then tub. So tub it's your choice. You can do any color in the bathtub. Make sure जब आप coloring कर रहे हैं, your colors should not go out of the lines. जो lines दी हुई हैं उससे बाहर आपका कलर नहीं जाना चाहिए. ठीक है बेटा? Now next is brush. So let's give this brush a shade of green color like this. Clear? Now next we have is a soap. Okay, so this boy takes shower using a soap. You can use any color for soap. I am using pink here. Now what is the next? Again we have this girl. So skin part to be done with the skin color. Now for hair you can use black as well as light brown shade also. You can use light brown, as sometimes we can see some of them are having this type of hair. Little shade of darker one like this. Okay, थोड़ा सा dark का shade भी कर सकते हो आप. Done like this. Now this girl needs a comb. So let's do this brown color in the comb. Like this. Now again you have your hands. So skin color. Like this. Now nail cutter, you can leave it as it is or you can do any color also, as it is made of steel, so we can leave it as it is. I am leaving it like this. Next you have is shoes. So I'll do brown color in the shoes, but I'll take light brown. like this. Now for the shoe brush also you can use the same color. Clear? So like this you are going to complete your this worksheet. Now a part of this, today you have a small homework to do, that is your page number 7. So page number 7, there you have a maize. Maize is bhutta. So we all like eating bhutta, and you know you can eat this in variant ways. One you have boiled, which is called challi. Then we have roasted, जिसको हम कोल की हेल्प से या गैस पे मम्मा उसको भूनती हैं. और the third type is when you have these small corn kernels which we call sweet corn. Clear? So class, this is your today's homework. Write down today's date, 22nd April 2021. Mention your homework here and you are going to color this. And when you are going to color this now, ask mama to make corn salad for you. Okay? You'll enjoy it, and you know this corn is really very healthy also. Understood everyone? So today's homework is page number 7 and your classwork is page number 10. Okay? So class, I hope you all have understood how you are going to do your work and why it is important to keep yourself clean, isn't it? Now it's time for you to finish your today's classwork, and the assignment which I gave you as homework, you have to do that also. Okay? Enjoy your corn salad by coloring in corn cob. Bye. Take care. Do your work, and when you are doing your homework, जब आप मेज में कलर करेंगे ना, ask mama to make a small corn salad for you. You'll enjoy that, and that's really healthy also. Bye for now. Take care.